Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking an exclusive look at a truly groundbreaking instrument that's set to redefine the electronic drumming experience. The Zildjian ALCHEM-E ZABEX Bronze EX Electronic Drum Kit Bundle. This isn't just another electronic kit. It's a statement from a company synonymous with the very soul of drumming. When one hears Zildjian, the mind immediately conjures images of legendary cymbals, rich in history and unparalleled in sound. Now, imagine that heritage translated into the digital realm, and you begin to grasp the essence of the ALCHEM-E ZABEX Bronze EX. The Bronze EX in its name isn't just marketing. It hints at a profound commitment to authenticity. This kit features actual Zildjian bronze cymbals, meticulously engineered with advanced triggering technology. This means a drummer isn't just hitting a rubber pad. They're interacting with real bronze, experiencing the natural swing, decay, and nuanced response that only a genuine cymbal can provide, all while enjoying the versatility and volume control of an electronic setup. The feel under the stick is simply unmatched, bridging the gap between the acoustic and electronic worlds in a way few kits ever have. Beyond the revolutionary cymbals, the drum pads themselves are designed for an incredibly realistic playing experience. They offer a dynamic range that captures every ghost note and powerful accent, allowing for expressive performances. The sound module, the brain of this beast, is packed with an array of high-definition, studio-quality drum and percussion sounds, all meticulously sampled to deliver an authentic sonic palette. Drummers will find a vast library to explore, from classic rock hits to modern electronic sounds, making it perfect for any genre or creative endeavor. Connectivity options are robust, allowing for easy integration into recording setups, practice routines with external audio, or even live performances. What makes this particular offering even more compelling is the comprehensive bundle. It arrives with everything a drummer needs to start playing right out of the box. The included drum throne provides essential comfort and stability, ensuring proper posture during long practice sessions or gigs. A pair of 5/8 drumsticks, a standard and versatile choice, means there's no delay in getting started. And for those who appreciate the finer details, the Austin Bazaar polishing cloth is a thoughtful addition, perfect for maintaining the pristine look of those real bronze cymbals. This Zildjian ALCHEM-E ZABEX Bronze EX bundle represents a significant leap forward for electronic drums. It's ideal for the discerning drummer who craves the authentic feel and response of acoustic instruments, but requires the flexibility and quiet practice capabilities of an electronic kit. Whether for home practice, studio recording, or even silent stage performances, this kit offers an immersive and inspiring drumming experience that truly stands apart. It's an investment in unparalleled quality and innovation, promising countless hours of musical exploration and enjoyment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.